in 5G area, and people's requirement to data to wireless data stream will increase very rapidly, and due to some reason, including the frequency spectrum, etc. So in the 5G area, the requirement to the 5G base station, the number will increase very rapidly. So in that case, that the operator have to invest more and more, and several times more than 4G areas investment on the 5G base station investment. So we are glad that the operators have realized some important things. So we cooperated with some operators to bring this brand new 4G and 5G Open RAN ecosystem. So the structure brought by us, including the RU and switch and acceleration card and DU and CU, etc. So the whole structure is open and green and smart and intelligent. So in our RU, we can provide the 4G and 5G dual mode. So it can support 4G cell phone and 5G cell phone in the future. And tens of the RU can connect to the switch, so that all the information can come together to bring to the cornet to process. And the acceleration card can support very complex processing, so that we can distribute our physical layer and radio processing and in this central unit. And we can also put the acceleration card in our DU server or in our CU plus DU server, so that we can get a lot of performance gain, including the cell combining, cell rating, etc. So besides the indoor solution, we can also provide the outdoor solution. So the system structure is almost the same. Baicells is a customer-oriented company. We can provide the end-to-end total solution. So in our PRU, we adopt Xilinx anti-SOC chipset, so that it can process very high rapidly some 4G and 5G basic processing of the signal, including FFT, etc. And our switch also adopt Xilinx anti-SOC chipset, so that some other radio processing can be done here. And our acceleration card also adopt Xilinx chipset. This chipset is the brand new chipset named RF-SOC, so that we can process some FCC and some MIMO-related process here, and we can enable the efficiency and energy of the acceleration card here. So the whole system has an open structure, so we can enable very smart management and resource allocation in the general purpose processor server, so that all following the Moore's law in the future, and the following Moore's law and our white box dual mode base station and a very open interface, we can guarantee the operator to win in 5G area and to get everything they want to know and information to manage the network very well. So why do we choose Xilinx? Because the Xilinx has provided us plenty of the IP core support, and it can help our engineer to realize to develop our product in a very short time. And Xilinx, the RF-SOC in this acceleration card can also support us to get the gain with the soft detection FEC, so that we can guarantee that in limited resource of the energy, the operator can use our products very well and to guarantee more cells to run in a good condition and to support their service in the 5G era and in more future. The total system can be upgraded in a software way, so that maybe we think that we can, with the cooperation of Baicells and Xilinx, we can win more in 5G and or even more in 6G area.